Today we will learn how to create an animation using motion tween in Flash. First, we will draw a shape. Here I will change the color. Next, click on the timeline. Right click, insert keyframe. Next, click again on the timeline. Right click, create motion tween. Now move the shape to the desired position and click enter. So here we can see the ball is moving. Now we can change the size of the ball. Select the ball in the end frame. Next, decrease the ball size and again click enter. So here we can see a realistic moving ball. When it goes far with the size decrease. So this was a basic tutorial of Flash using motion tween. For more videos, subscribe our channel, and to learn in detail about Flash, you can join our online classes.